guys, welcome back to CCG TV, Capital Claims TV, where we are here to discuss and talk about claims. Please like, subscribe, follow. So today's topic is one of the biggest mistakes that homeowners make or property owners make is that they believe that the insurance company gets to decide who and how their house or their property is being repaired. And they don't. They can interpret the policy, they can investigate the damages, they can question whether something is covered, but they cannot rewrite building codes. That decision was already made long before the claim happened. If you understand this concept, you'll understand why some claims end up like thousands or even hundreds of $1,000s apart. So let's think about it this way. The local building department has rules. Electricians, they have rules. Plumbers, they have rules. Roofing has rules. Fire safety. Those rules weren't created by the insurance company. They were created by state legislation, penalties, building officials to protect the people and their property. If the contractor says that they need to do this because of code, it's not simply their opinion. If the code applies to your project, then they have a legal requirement to do it. It's not a negotiation tactic, and that's a super important distinction. The claims is sometimes about more than the damage. Like a lot of homeowners, a lot of property owners think that, okay, the claim is simply something broke, insurance pays, house get fixed. Real claims are not that simple. Every claim has several moving parts in it. First, what caused the damage? Second, is it covered in the policy? And third, what does it actually take to restore the policy to a pre-loss or functioning condition? So sometimes replacing one damaged component legally requires you to do additional work because today's codes are different from the codes from when the property was built. And here's where some people get confused. The insurance company absolutely has the right to investigate whether a code applies. They have the right to do that. If they ask for documentation, we provide it. If they request the code or what section, we provide it. They can review reports. That's reasonable. But they don't simply get to say we're not paying because we don't like the code or we don't agree with the building code. So if the policy provides coverage for a law and ordinance, or if the policy language requires payment for those additional costs, then the decision shifts from an opinion to documentation. The key is providing the requirement. That's why the experienced contractor, code official, public adjusters, we all spend so much time gathering the evidence instead of in arguments. So take it like this. Imagine wind damage part of your roof and the insurance company says, well, we'll pay for this section. It seems reasonable, but then the contractor comes out and discovers that code requirements for additional underlayment, flashing, ventilation upgrades, or other components to bring the repair into an area of code compliance. Now that conversation changes because the issue is not whether or not somebody wants an upgrade. The issue becomes what does the law require? And then that is completely a different discussion. Now, the carrier may still evaluate if the code truly applies, whether the policy covers for that additional cost, but neither side gets to pretend like the code does not exist. That's why documentation wins. One lesson I've learned after handling thousands of claims is that documentation will beat opinion any day. If someone tells me it's code, my next question is show me. Give me the code section, give me the building official's interpretation if needed, give me the manufacturer's installation requirements, give me the inspection reports, because that claim is not going to be won because somebody is going to talk louder. They're won because somebody has better documentation or has the right documentation or has taken the time to put together the proper documentation. At Capital Claims, we don't just assume every repair requires code. We verify it, we research it, we document it, we present it, because our job is not to inflate claims. Our job is to help make sure the property receives what it's entitled to under the policy and that the repairs reflect the accurate requirements, not assumptions. So remember this, that the insurance company does not write building codes. Contractors does not write building codes. Public adjusters, we don't write building codes. The law does. And when the code legitimately applies to your loss, understanding how it interacts with your policy can make a significant difference on how the claim is being evaluated. So thank you guys for checking out CCG TV. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, share it with somebody. Understand claims, begin to understand claims, because claims are going nowhere. Claims are happening every single day.